little bit of hammering going on here. See over on the parking garage, nothing. Looks like nothing's really going on there with this these steel, aluminum, I don't know what they are, objects. Still not seeing this tower crane in action as of for a few weeks now. There is some there's some work going on with the this residential area. You can see over here beyond the stadium, kind of southeast of the stadium. I thought it was going to be parkland. They've been paving. A lot of asphalt paving going on over here. So I don't know if this is going to be just some more spillover parking or what. Beyond there, that Hollywood Park development. I guess there's a little bit of that work going on, I think in the residential area. Hey, I see some people on the roof. Can't tell if they're doing some kind of maintenance on the SoFi sign or the LED string lights they have across the ETFE. You had not heard the 2021 LA Rams home visitors, opponents coming. The coming season is going to have the Chicago Bears, Detroit Lions, Jacksonville Jaguars, Tennessee Titans, and Tom Brady, Gronk, and the Tampa Bay Bucks.